Before the Audition Intensive, it was kind of hit or miss with me. If I had a real good feeling about a part and I felt like I knew it, like I was either my life or innately I just knew it, then I would have a pretty easy time, except that I would be unnaturally focused on the lines, getting all the words right, and it was real hit or miss. I never had a system to do auditions before the Audition Intensive. I always just treated it as a new kind of thing. Whatever came along, the audition would come along, and I would look at it and study it, and I just would kind of feel my way through it. And sometimes that would be very effective, and sometimes it would be kind of not good, to be honest. I guess I've kind of backed away from methods and procedures, A, because I never found one that I liked, and B, because it did sound a little cold and automatic and not organic enough or artistic enough. But the truth is, if you have steps that work, you're very happy to do them over and over again. With the Audition Intensive, I now have the process of discovery. You know, I think when I got into this business 35 years ago or more, my intention was to create interesting characters. And I somehow trained myself out of that and got more interested in the minutiae of the words and all these little things that seem to be very important. And I've omitted more often than not to create the character. And I have to say, it's embarrassing, but I have not done my job, I realize, for many, many decades. Not all the time, except in very specialized kind of moments. And now I don't think I'll ever omit that again. I will never fall back into a state of not knowing what the essential thing is of an audition. And for that, I'm just so grateful. Plus, I gotta say, studying at the Acting Center, and it's a no-brainer for anybody that's been here, since they have an environment of no evaluation and no criticism, I can make the discovery for myself that I've been omitting something vital. And nobody made me wrong for it, so I can just kind of shake it off and go and do my job. And that is unique too. You know, whenever you go into an audition, a lot of times they say, just have fun with it. And we all go, uh-huh, and sweat. And they're serious. They want you to have fun with it, which means they want you to create on it. They want you to surprise them. They want you to actually play. And this gives you the tools to actually play. The Audition Intensive and those steps and all the stuff at the Acting Center gives you the ability to play, to create something out of nothing, to make of yourself any kind of character that you think is appropriate in a full way, in a well-rounded way, in a 360-degree way. And I find that when I get into the audition room, I'm not struggling at all. It's not going to happen. I'm good to go. When I do have a redirection from the director or the casting director, I'm finding it very easy to do that. Sometimes in the past it hasn't been easy. Now, the thing I have that's just so grounded is I actually have a character that can make adjustments. What's changed for me since the Audition Intensive is that I create and take the time to create a character that I think is cool, that I think answers the question of who is this guy. I bring that in. I'm not bringing in the script. They have the script. And since I've been doing that, I've been doing much better on auditions. And I've been booking things. I really think the Audition Intensive is revolutionary because it puts back into the actor's hands a few simple tools that he can use to begin to have fun creating a character so that you can actually make something that other people possibly can really get a big charge out of watching. Just like the great actors that I admire, I can't wait to see the character they create. I want to see that character that Albert Finney, the great late Albert Finney, who knows what he's going to do? Gary Oldman, Christian Bale, we don't know. We go and we want to see what they do. And we're like, wow, it's a magic trick. And now I feel like, all right, I'm no Christian Bale, I'm no Albert Finney. I'm Jim Meskimmen. I can do my own thing. And I've got the tools, and I got that from the Audition Intensive here at the Acting Center.